Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This video is a review of the song 5 Kilo by Ferre Gola. 5 Kilo was released while Ferre Gola was in the band Les Marquis de Maison. Les Marquis de Maison faced a lot of financial difficulties. Ferre Gola had to sell one of his houses in order to cover expenses for video clips. Fally has recently mentioned during an interview with Papy Mboma that he was contacted by Ferre Gola to join Les Marquis de Maison. We will hear about Ferre's version of this story when he goes back to his second interview with Papy Mboma at B1 TV. 5 Kilo is about a woman who was dating a very rich guy. On this guy's birthday, she didn't have anything to impress him with. Therefore, she decided to go to the forest and brought back 100 kilos of flowers, 3 insects, and a parrot. The role of the parrot was to be saying sweet words to this guy while the woman was away, you know, all the good things, I love you and all that. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. It is our second YouTube channel. You can also circle me on Google+, Jonas Lusa. There's a link in description. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe.